Let's talk about axis of symmetry and minimum or maximum point of the parabola. Let us define axis of symmetry. It is a line that divides the graph into two parts such that one half of the graph is the reflection of the other. Ito yung tinatawag nating axis of symmetry. It is a line that divides this graph into two parts such that this one is the reflection of the other. Katulad dito sa kabila. This is the axis of symmetry. Then, minimum or maximum point of the parabola. If the parabola opens downward, it has a maximum point. Ito yon, yung pinakatuktok. Then, if the parabola opens upward, the parabola has a minimum point. Yung pinaka ilalim niya. Okay. If the quadratic function is expressed in the form y equals a quantity x minus h squared plus k, the vertex is the point hk. The line x equals h is the axis of symmetry, and k is the minimum or maximum value of the function. So dito muna tayo sa isang example na to. Ang sabi, the line x equals h is the axis of symmetry. So ang h natin dito, ang vertex natin dito is negative 3 and 5. That is hk. So ang h natin is negative 3. Ang sabi, x equals h. That is x equals negative 3. This is the equation of the axis of symmetry. Okay? Then, ang sabi naman dito, kapag siya ay opens downward, there is a maximum point. So, itong graph, there is a maximum value, which is k. So, ang k natin is 5. Y is equal to 5. 5 is the maximum value of the parabola. 5 ang ating maximum value. Okay. Next example, dito sa graph na to. The parabola opens upward. Ito yung ating axis of symmetry. Our vertex is at 4, 2. So, x equals h. Our h is 4. So, the equation of the axis of symmetry is x equals 4. This is the axis of symmetry. And since the parabola opens upward, the parabola has a minimum point. And the minimum value of the parabola is the value of k, which is 2. Y is equal to 2. So, 2 is the minimum value of the parabola. Ganun lang kasimple.